Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix DNS not propagating and hosting your website builder 2026. So the DNS propagation means your domain's new DNS settings take time to update across the internet. Usually it takes up to 24 to 48 hours and sometimes a bit longer. So we only need first to verify your name servers are correct. So for domains hosted on Hostinger, you will need to go with the domains on the left hand menu. Just click it, then just go with domain portfolio, and here you will find your domain. Okay, so here you will need to check the names or the name servers, and then just reset it or change it and then wait for propagation. So DNS changes take 1 to 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours. Also you can use online tools to check propagation like what's mydns.net and check record and see name across multiple countries. Also, I do advise you to clear the local DNS cache. Sometimes your computer or router cache shows all DNS infos. So to clear that, you will need to go with cmd. Alright, then just click here, click on it, and after that, just go and type ipconfig /flush DNS. Alright, so I don't want to do that to my computer actually, so you will need just to hit enter. Alright, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.